Camden Murphy of Itasca, Illinois. I just like saying Itasca is the point leader in the number 85 truck going into the last evening. Derek Kraus, the youngster from Stratford, Wisconsin, is only 6 points behind going into the final night, which tonight is the final night. A couple of hot laps coming here. The first heat for the Midwest Truck Series. Kevin Kniese, the number 33 truck, will start from the pole. On the outside, it's the number 54 of Chad Devine. Second row, Joshua James driving car number 30. And on the outside, it's that youngster, Derek Kraus, in the number 9 truck. Third row, inside, it's the number 3 of Rick Corso of McHenry, Illinois. And Parker Retzloff driving the number 79 from the outside. Truck Series is underway. The first heat. 8 lap here for the trucks. Kevin Kniese, the leader. Larry Mack would say cow shin on the track.
No chili there, Barnes? No? No. I want you to light a match after eating that steak either. Woo, boy, this has got some kick.
Easy, we want to sell some chili. easy for Kevin Kniezy. Sorry, I couldn't help myself. It's right there. That's right, you knew it. Here he comes. Bringing that number 33 truck into Weaver Auto Parts victory lane. How about a nice hand for Kevin Kniezy?
And of course, Weaver Auto Parts.